Hello friends. In this video, we will be looking for adding of horizontal and vertical movement in the animation. Lot of time it happens that we require to have this kind of an animations into our presentations, which add to a very value of our presentation. It's give the viewers a good representation of what kind of thing you want to convey with a minimal words. So these are some of the examples which we will be going to look into this video. So let's start. Firstly, for this, I will just select. I will have a new uh, slide in this. Just let's start with inserting an object. I will just take an object as a circle, and in a circle I will just give it a random color, like for example I given a green color, and now I want a movement like this and this. So it will be like vertical, uh, firstly horizontally it will move, then it will go downwards vertically, and then it will move horizontally to the right hand side. So let's start. So go into the select the object first, and then go into the animation pane, and then in this pane just select from the drop down list lines. So you can see it has automatically taken right now a vertical downwards animation. But right now what we want, it should go into the right direction. So for this, just go here in this, take the effect options, and then take from left to right kind of an animation. The green is the starting point and the red is the stop point in this animation. So let's just select this. So this is the right now the path which has taken. We can actually also have the animation pane from the right side, so that we can actually provide the timings and everything also together. So now after this, what we want, it should go to the vertical downwards. For that, the only thing we have to do is now, if we directly go on this, for example, if I just try to do this, so again it will take the new path, but it will not keep the previous path, that is the horizontal path. So now let's do one more thing, that if we want to add the animation to the object, continuous animation like this, then go here and take the add animation, and in the add animation just take again the line, because it will be a vertical downwards line. So I will just right now it has taken from the initial position, it has taken. Now what I want, that it should go to the this from here, it should go downwards. So I will just select this line of the vertical animation line, and just I will place it here. So you can see a dim color objects are being moved from this place, uh, and it is tracing a path. So if we just place it properly here, we can actually just zoom in and check for that whether they are placed properly or not. And once that is there, let's see how it will work. Let's just try to play from play all, then see it will be like going sideways and then downwards. Okay, now what we have to do, we have to add another, which will be another path which will go this year. Now again, for this we have to go into the add animation. Remember, don't directly add one animation from here, you have to do from the add animation pane. So just select add animation, and then select one more line. So again it has taken this path, but now we want that this should be our third path, and from here just select this line. You can do one more here, just place it here. Now from here they take the effect option and then left right. Oh sorry, we have to first do whatever the effect which we have to do, add, and then we have to do the movement part. So select the third one, and just select this path, select the path, and then just place it here. So if we just try to select this path and then just do one thing, like you can just use the drop down arrows also and the sideways arrows also, and just you can place that path here. Now if you see, I am just trying to align the total path so that it never see an hazy kind of thing and you get a proper look of the animation. So now if you see this animation, for example, let's see, this animation has taken the path which we want. Now, if you are seeing that we are right now doing 2 or 3 times of clicking is being done. So how that can be avoided, that clicking? So in this, just go to this animation pane, and here in the animation pane, just select the path number 2, and then just do start after previous. So it will just start the after previous. Now take this path also, and it should be right click here and start after previous. So all the paths are now aligned, and now if you see the animation, it will be like a simple one click animation which is having a path. I hope you find it very useful. Now let's move for this kind of an animation where it is a to and fro animation. So if you see in lot of sales presentations or in kind of office presentations, most of the time we require that we want to show kind of an object, which is like for logistics, we can show trucks and all which are moving to and fro and all. Or if we want to show some kind of an operators that are moving in the machines and all. So this kind of path, a linear path, can be very much useful. So let's see for this what we can do. Just take a new slide here, and then just this I will just delete it and then insert. From the insert, just go into the icons, and in the icons it will just try to load. From there I will right now take vehicle, because I just want right now one vehicle concept only we are talking of. We can take any kind of an object on which the animations can be done. So it's never a problem. I'm just taking right now a truck, simple, resizing it just to have a clear view. And now just select this object and go into the animation. Again in the animation, go into the direction animation, lines. Right now you are seeing this, again it is going downwards. Now just we have to go into effect options. From left to right, this truck is moving. But what we want, that this truck should move ahead and should come back, move ahead and come back. So in that simple, go into this animation pane, go into this graphics, right click, and then go into the effects options. In this effect option, just do the auto reverse. You are done the auto reverse. It's simple. And now let's do OK and see the animation. So this is one. Now again, if we want that it should be a continuous animation, it should not be like okay, but a continuous animation should be there for this. So what we can do, just go again into the timing now, and in the timing, rewind when done playing. Just pick it here, or you can just also in the repeat also you can do until next click, it should repeat continuously. So if you see now into the animation pane, I will show you. See, so it's a continuous animation is being provided without anything till the time the slide is on the presentation. We can have this kind of a linear horizontal direction animation. So let's move on to the third one. I hope you got this point also. Now let's have this kind of an animation where we want this object should go one time downwards and then it should go. It's like a bouncy kind of thing. Like if you want to show some kind of a bouncy item, bouncy or uh, like a animation of the projectile systems, or if you want to show the animation of like a ball is bouncing on a ground. So how we can do that? Simple. Again, just I will take a new slide here and let's have this. I will just insert one object. Object is this one. So in this, we will be having this kind of an object. I'll just small it down and then again go into the animation pane. In the animation pane, just take the line. Right now it is taking the vertical direction, but what we want that it should be on the angle form. So just click here and drag that animation into the angle which you want. Now if you are seeing it in an angle, now what we want that it should bounce back from here. So again same thing, add animation. In the add animation line, and then in the animation line, what we can do, we can just take it towards the different way, and then just what we can do, in the effect you can actually reverse path direction. You can do that reverse path direction. So now the path is being reversed. Now what we want, it should be attached with our this part. So now this is kind of an effect which we can add it here. So if we want it to be a continuous without click, again go here. Then if start after previous and simple. So I hope you find this kind of animation very much useful, and it will be very much useful in your day-to-day presentations where you want to mm, show to your attendees what kind of an object, what kind of a service, what kind of a topic you are presenting in a more effective and dynamic manner, so that you can grab the attention of the people who are attending your presentation. See you in the next video. Thanks.